Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today on this DIY. I have two projects that I'm working on right now for my daughter-in-law for their new condo. So they asked me to create some planters for them. So I hauled 3 planters from the Dollar Tree that I want to turn into a farmhouse style, because that's their home decor. It's going to be farmhouse. So for this project you will need 3 of the planters. You'll need some foam, and I hauled this from Hobby Lobby and it was 99 cents. You will need 3 of these foams from Hobby Lobby. You'll need some of the Dollar Tree ropes, and this is a smaller version actually. I've never seen them before, so I was pretty excited. These are smaller than the ones they usually have. You'll need scissors. You'll need your glue gun, and you also will need your little knife, glue gun, and glue sticks. You will also need spray paint. So I'm gonna go out, spray paint black and beige. And I'll come back and we can start. Okay guys, so I went ahead and spray painted the pots and started to add some black to the pot just to bring more interest to it. I also spray painted the foam black, and I want to put this to the side so I can go through this process with you and show you what I'm doing. So this is how it looks. And now I want to go ahead and start to attach my pots. So I'm going to loosen the underneath, just like that, make a hole. Guys, I'm sorry I lost the footage for this DIY. Here are the things you will need for this project. Okay guys, so I went halfway around the basket because I want to go ahead and spray paint. Initially, I was just going to do everything in the rope, but I decided I want to do half white rope and then the natural color rope color. So I'm going to go out, spray paint, come back, and we can finish Okay, off. So I spray painted and it still needs to dry and get trimmed up because with the paint, it shows all the little fur hanging out. So I'm not going to be concerned with it right now. I'm going to continue adding the rope, and then once this is dry, I'll trim it away. So the first thing I want to do before I continue with adding the rope is outline. This is how it turned out, and the end of the basket have this little spot that I have where I glued it all together. And so I created a bow that I'm going to put there just to disguise it. Just a regular tie, regular bow tie. So put a generous amount of glue down, lay the bow, and I also want to go ahead and glue down the bow on the legs as well, just so it lay flat. And I think that's adorable. Okay, I'm going to do it on the other side, and this is how it's turning out, and I'm loving it. Okay guys, so I hope you like it. This next project is going to be a candle holder, and of course I am still staying in that rustic farmhouse style. So what you'll need is a foam, and I've worked with the foam before. I've shared with you two different DIY candle holders that we've created with the foam. We're gonna go with the same process. So you'll need a Dollar Tree foam. You'll need the Dollar Tree tea light holders, and basically what I did, I laid them in the spot that I wanted, and then I used a pen to trace it out. And so it looks like this. Okay, so you will need a Dollar Tree foam. You'll need 2 of the tea light holders. You'll need scissors. You'll need twine of your choice. You'll need the Dollar Tree alphabets, and I went ahead and spray painted them black already. I want to go with the word love. So I spray painted the word love. You'll need your, I'm going with white, and it's a matte acrylic paint. You can haul that from Walmart, Joann's, Michael, wherever you choose to purchase it. You'll need your paintbrush, and I'm going with just a disposable plate. You will need your glue gun and your glue sticks. So let's jump right in by first cutting out our foam. So guys, I forgot to mention I wanted to add some of the Dollar Tree ribbon, and so I want to start in the back area, lay my glue down. I forgot to mention that this is what I want to lay my alphabet on, my word that says love. I want to lay it on top of it. So it is important to have that. All right, so lay your ribbon down and try to get halfway between the foam if you can. And try and do this quickly so it doesn't dry on you. Press it out. And this ribbon has a wire in it, so that's pretty nice. So guys, I went ahead and add on the word love. This needs a little bit more glue. And I really like the way that it turned out. I'm going to put a candle in, light it, and so you can get a really good view of what this candle holder turned out to look like. The way it looked. I hope you do as well. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share the videos with your family and friends. Leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. I truly look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you on my next DIY.